Using this one phrase while prompting will generate cleaner vector graphics that are scalable to any size and are easier to edit. In this Design in Minutes video, I'm going to go over vector graphics and why they're so useful, how to generate vectors, how to vectorize an image, and for a bonus, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create vectors using Adobe's new Firefly AI Assistant. Vectors, or scalable graphics, are the preferred format of choice for designers because they don't lose resolution when you make them larger, so they work great for anything from small to large sizes and print projects, plus they're easier to edit. When you generate a vector image, what can happen is something like this, where you have splotchy colors and the lines aren't cleanly drawn. What we want is something more like this. There's two ways to accomplish this trick, and we'll start with prompting. All you have to do is add in a minimalist style to the end of your prompt, and you get a cleanly styled vector graphic that's easy to edit. No splotches here. The second approach is to use one of the effects available. Just go to Effects and choose Minimalism. It may come out slightly different depending on which approach you take. Another way to generate vectors is by vectorizing an image. When you go to generate a vector, just look for the section called Style Reference. You just upload your image and then prompt what it is, like orange high tops, and add the minimalist effect. What you get is a cleanly illustrated version of your image. When you generate, you can also increase or decrease the amount of detail it produces, which gives you a different effect. Next, I'll show you how to do this in the new Firefly AI Assistant. In the prompt box, you just upload an image and ask it to convert the image to vector. Now, it will by default create a realistic vector graphic, but with 1,000,000 points, not necessarily what you want. But you can change this by modifying your prompt, ask to simplify, or use a minimalist style. And what you get is an SVG file. The result is a clean vector graphic. If you have an illustration style you want it to use for the vector, just include that reference image in your prompt and prompt it to copy the rendering technique and not the style of the second image. I hope you get a chance to play around with this trick for generating clean vector illustrations with the minimalist style. Let me know what worked for you.